Here's how to shoot and edit a speed ramp effect like this using your Insta360 camera. With the camera set to regular video mode, I walked around this building at a consistent speed using the Insta360 X3 and this ultra long selfie stick to capture a unique aerial view. Now it's time to edit. In the Insta360 app, select the clip you want to edit and reframe the shot so that the building is in the middle of the scene. Move further into the timeline and repeat this process again. Then do this throughout the entire video. Now you can go ahead and export this video. For the next step, you're going to need the free video editing app called CapCut. Open this and import your video. Move to the spot in the video where you want the speed ramp to begin and split the video. Then move to where you want the speed ramp to end and cut the video there as well. Then repeat this process throughout the whole video. Now select each of the clips that are going to be sped up and tap on speed. For this video, I'm going to set the speed at 40x. If you're filming something on a smaller scale, you're not going to want to speed it up quite this much. Now your video should be looking like this, where there's some slow parts and then some really fast parts. To make the transition between the fast and slow parts of the video less abrupt, click on each one of the slower clips, go to speed, curve, and add this bullet speed ramp effect. This is going to make it look much smoother. Now you can export the video and re-import it back into the app again. Now go to the motion blur effect, and I like to set it to about 40%. Export the video, and here's the final result. If you want to see some more cool videos that I've made using the Insta360 camera, click on one of these videos right over here.